traumatized, felt like I was in for a long bus ride. I'd rather die than you not by my side. Can't count many times I vomited, cried, cold in my room, turned the radio on and hot talk with Bonnie and Clyde. No, on the inside you Jekyll and Hyde. I felt like my whole relationship with you was a lie. It was you and I. Why did I think it was ride or die? Cause if you could've took my life, you would've. It's like you put a knife in my chest and pushed it right through to the other side of my back and stuck a spike too. Should've put up more of a fight, but I couldn't at the time. No one could hurt me like you could've. Take you back now, what's a likelihood of that? Fighting bitch chewing a 19-footer. Cause this morning I finally stood up, held my chin up finally, showed a sign of life in me fuller. First time since you left me with nothing but shattered dreams of the life we could've had and we could've been. But I'm breaking out of the slump I'm in, pulling myself out of the dumps once again. I'm getting up once and for all, fuck this shit. I'ma be late for the pity party, but you're never gonna beat me to the fucking punch again. Took it on the